Ka Environment Coordination Committee ka Elaka Sutnga ka Dawa badai pynpra lut ya baro ki karkhana saiñ dewïong ha ka ki Elaka ki shah kyntait ban pynpra kam de ki board badai pe jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Uba reading war legal advisor ka Committee of Elaka Sutnga ulai thu ba kat kum ka right to information na ki sanphu tli ar kunai tli ki karkhana ki shah kyntait khat artli ki yo jingmunjor ban pynpra kam bat artli ki yo jingbet bandang sna kat ba ki pat ki de ki ba kham tri kam shu uloong baki board sarkar ki de ban pynprano e ki te ki ar kunai tli ki karkhana saiñ dewïong ki shah kyntait na lor ki pat ki shu e kum tu nomor omla bantip yo ki pynpra kam bi ain ha ka pod mien da ka ba ka do ba ki karkhana saiñ dewïong ki kta e kamar yang bat ka koi ka khia ki nong song snong uloong ba ki don ki karkhana ki sna ha ki jaka snong brio bat ki don pat ki balo ujor mukodma da ka bot henre ka don pat ka jingle khli shre
te ha ka kum ga art ai ka batmai bangila yo na ka MSPCB kila don kumba sampiotli kinegi units niki koplan ki bala don hapo ilaka nani hapo jong district ki barok away ti ha bade bakani ki naki sampiotli arpundai kila du no ya kanika consent to establish but ki mla shu banshna ki mla shu banshna dan ki mla shu ban poret but khat artli ki plans and ki units ki bla don ya ki consent to operate but saatli ki badon ya ka consent to establish ti ke ka jing ka ba mantapat kalong ba nginele stang ya kini ki badon ya kini ki court ni consent to operate but ki consent to establish ke ga pasing tunat ba hadin bangi alit ka ying bishar jong ka National Green Tribunal ngila yo ru ya katuk ni kijing kwa na ni kijing trang kijong ki khun jong ke elaka ba ha ka chipudrik very much kedon ka hearing jong ka National Green Tribunal ke bedon ha po Kolkata bat kala ai ru ya ki order ha ka bade bat ka government ka bade ban bud bat ban le ha ka bade bat kini ki ko plan ka order jong ka NGT ha ka chipudrik very much ar hajar ko ar NGT kala airu ya ka directive order ya ka MSPCB ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha ka bade ka de ban khen ban ai ka jing khen ha ka jing lut ha ka bade ba ka environment compensation cost of restitution remedial measures as well as penalty to be imposed for violation of the environmental norms ya kini hibaro ki ko plans ki ba light na kini ki khatar bat kini ki khatar tali ki bagi ong baki layo ya ka CTO but hakaneru ka ECC kala bo ya ka demand na ka MSPCB hakabade ka jingkhen ya kini ki jinglut jing step ka jing shakta jong ka mariang hakate ka jaka ka jongi ka elaka ka jongi ka de ban ai ka jingkhen ka bobiang but ka de ban kan jitiru kala ong ki baki de ban thaden baki la khen ya kini jinglut baro ki de ban ai ka MSP ke man submit ya lengba ka affidavit man file ka affidavit ha ka khatwe tri gunai mi jar ko ar sha ka NGT kebenta ka baar ka NGT ru kala ai ya ka directive order ya ka MSPCB bade ban to conduct a regular check during the night and it is a duty of the MSPCB as the regulatory authority and to take action against the airing coke units hadin bangila ai ngila ai ya ka jingpentip sya ka National Green Tribunal ba ki don kini ko plans ki ba tray bi ein minute but ki don ru kini ki ba la yo ya ka consent to operate ba ki tray claim da don kam lobon but ya ki kendon bala but dak sarkar te ka NGT hi kala ai ya ka order ya ka MSPCB ke de ban page benia bhai kini ke de ban monitor ya ki day and night te ha ka bade ba kini ngilap ba ka MSPCB ne ki non tray ki don ha shillong ka problem ka don hapo Elaka Sutnga khamtam ya kishnong mopala umtara bat kumta terter ya kishnong laterke kishnong lamersyang ya kituki ko plan ki don hapo umpleng te ya kaniru ni demand naka MSPCB bakade ban ai le ban monitor 24/7 hakbade ban lap ya jing shisha da pilih hangte hapo mopala umtara menmet pinyo iba kini ki CTO ki units ki don ya ka CTO ki pengkhenya ki ain ki badon hapo jongka CTO ka CTO ka don ya ka ki shibon tli ki ain ki de ban bod hende ki klem don kam ya ki filter ki klem don kam ya ki tia ki bade ban don kam but ki shupen mi be ya ka tedam klem da klemda filter nak tak kadau ke don ke jing shibun ya ki biru hangte nak tak kadau ru ke NGT kan ai ke MSPCB baka day bang monitor ya ni day night 24/7 tingi ai ngi ong ya ke MSPCB hak ni ke por ke ECC ke day ban monitor 24/7 lada lem kumta ke dewan pha no ya ki official jongki be dewan sa no hang to shno mopala so kilo man sa no hapo umtra bakin yo snyo dalade ya lade lada kimla ban pha ya ki official jongki ban page ya kini ke jing hak de ba kini pollution ke ba mina kini ki co plans ke ba yo ya ki CTO kila ban ai le ban shna deka toll free number ba ki briu kila ban complaint 24/7 shah ke MSPCB leni ke ngi demand ru ke MSPCB ke deban pa deman ai ke authorized person authorized letter nani order ya kinu ki district magistrate la ki police hak ba de ban monitor ya kini 24/7 hak ba de ba kini ke pollution ke main objective bangi wan hne ke longkum ni hadin ba ke MSPCB kala ai ya ar kundait li ki refusal of consent habaka MSP ke ai ya ki refusal consent on the ground la ne haki reason ki ba pair but those 29 units could not meet all the siting norms. That's mean kila penduk no ya kata ke application jongki ke bagi apply hapo MSPCB. Te halor kata ba kini ki ko plans ke apparently kimla shuk masna delele. Te what can you tiru kal ai ke order ya ke MSPCB ban shim action ni gini but bagi deru ke MSPCB ke de ban reply sha ke NGT ha ke bade ke action ni gini ke apparently. Tegi ke bangi kwa kini apparently kini ngi sang thu bakila du ban shna ba kimyo shu yaka CTE dalele te ngi we demand from the chief minister from the concerned minister in charge of the forest and environment department as well as from the MSPCB to pass a directive order and giving a notice to all the proprietors of these 29 units to dismantle their coke plants or their plants within a stipulated times. So that is the demand for specifically for the 29 units, that the chief minister or the government should pass a necessary order, directive order to all the proprietors of the 29 unit plants to dismantle the plants within a stipulated times. Namar bale lada kini ki arpundai li ki don bet hang to ka chance lane ka probability kan don bet baki kintre behind hakimit kisnia ke ba kibru kimyoi na takatau there is no point for all this plan to erect there, so a directive order to dismantle is necessary. At the same time the state government may reply to the NGT in this regard. Ki don ki coke plans ki ba don hapo ka residential area na nik ben hapo ki shnong ki thau trong cái elaka thì hak badep kani it's a very serious issue. Kalong ba we know that coke plants is a hazardous plant industries which is not allowed at all at any cost, even it is fall under the first schedule of the Factories Act. Item number 4 is a hazardous process, and hazardous process, even as Supreme Court from time to time has given a guidelines that no hazardous process should be given, NOC should be given license to operate within the habitation area or near the habitation area. So in this regard, we have brought this before the Honorable National Green Tribunal, and the National Green Tribunal has also given the directive order to the MSPCB to furnish the exact location of all this coke plant to prove whether they are within the inhabitation area or not. Specifically, kum ka kidon atli ki coke plant ke bangitip kum ka MS Serpai lang coke ba kadon ko be jantia MS jantia industries ke badon hapo 100 kilo. Kini ki atli ki coke plant ben hapo shnong 100 kilo. Kini ki coke plant ke bakta bha ya ke shnong 100 kilo bar ke shnong mo palak hamtam ha ka por man mit. But it is what udisi lu ula dap kubur ya kani ula pha ya report sha ke MSPCB hendre ke MSPCB kamle ke ek helor jong kini atli ki coke plant ke bangi ong ba kini coke plant ki don hapo jong ke shnong 100 kilo. Kum ka research but ke jinglap ke jongi hapo lang ba ke ECC ngilap ba kini ki atli ki coke plant hang ke bede ba ka SWA single window agency ki submit ba ka 100 kilo ke deka shnong namar ki yo ya ka NOC na kasno sukilo. Henry habede bat ke MSPCB ki ong ba ke sukilo ba ke de ka marketing hub dan ni ka commercial hub. Te kalong ka ngilasong thu ba ha ka government jongi kam don ka no ka jing tweet benia ha ba shwaban an ki kot na ka daw there is a misleading ka cheating by these two coke plants to the government of Meghalaya. Te na ka daw ngi demand ru ya ka MSPCB ban ai ya ki exact location jong kini ki ko. Khamtam kini artli bran hapo sukilo but khamtam ru ya ki tu bran hapo umtara but bran hapo su umpleng laterki lamersiang. Lada ka government, if the government try to manipulate on the location, the exact location of this coke plant, the consequence would be disastrous. Mde bangaong hande bangira ban penmal ni ban you hende kata ka message ka ba ki bru ki kwa pan ai cha ka government. Te yakin ni coke plant ki de ban ai bet ya ka exact location ka jongki ha ka no ka ba ki don nakamta bagan GT ka la man khang yakini. The statistic, there may be a different statistic, but those statistics 6 or 7, those people who have already surrendered and they have not applied and they already ki claim apply ke CTE, ki claim la issue kila comply ya ka closure notice na ka MFPCB. So most of this between the statistic kila surrender hi but in ratio.
Ini gi bakal gi balaplos in paklang and dismantle lagi.
Yes, they have to dismantle. Marbalek refusal of consent has been issued on the ground that those coke plants who apply for consent to establish, they could not meet the siting norms. So once they can't meet the siting norms, there's no point for them to be there. As has to be the only way is dismantle them. So dismantling of all these coke plants is the main objective that ECC is demanding from the government.